My Starbucks is all gone. I don't have another $8 to spend on a coffee. Bummer. I guess I can't have coffee. JK, girlies, I know it's fun to go to Starbucks, but I'm gonna show you how I save myself from going more than like once or twice every 2 weeks. Let me show you how. Okay, literally my favorite thing is always save one of these cups. One of these toppers is the best if you are an iced coffee drinker, because it literally helps me trick my brain. By making my coffee in this, it makes me feel like I'm getting a Starbucks. I'm just gonna use one of these little espresso Italiano K-cups. And clearly this is dirty, so I'm gonna go and wash this out now. This is coffee from someone who is 100% not a barista, not someone who is knowledgeable about coffee, okay? So if you don't know much about coffee, I love you. Thank you for watching. We're gonna make a caramel vanilla swirl iced coffee dupe, basically, because I don't believe in drinking coffee hot. So that's what we're doing today. First, we're gonna get some ice. Okay, so you see we fill it up about to the little third line right there, okay? You see it? Yep, We're gonna come over to our Keurig. Put this in here. Hold it closed. Move this because venti cups won't fit there on their own. Okay, so I'm just going to. And now we wait for the coffee. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, now it's time for the best part. And it's at this point I'm going to just literally add some of this Walmart brand French vanilla to my cup. And usually I try to eyeball it and keep it like under 120 calories. Starbucks coffee is also not the strongest thing ever, and these cups are kind of strong, so I literally add water to this. Yes, I did do that. And now we're back over here. We just pop on the lid. And the best part, we have a perfect little vanilla swirl iced coffee. But if you want to make it caramel, all you have to do is this. Get you some Coffee Mate. This is the caramel flavor, of course. Just add a splash. I just saved you $5.40 at Starbucks.